Welcome to Junk My Car in Long Island City, Queens, New York. Cash for junk cars. If you have an old, unwanted, damaged, wrecked, or non-running vehicle sitting in your driveway, garage, parking lot, or on the street here in Long Island City, Junk My Car. Long Island City. Queens, New York is here to help. We buy junk cars throughout Long Island City and the surrounding neighborhoods, offering fast cash payments and free junk car removal. Whether your car runs or not, we make the process simple, fast, and easy. Many Long Island City vehicle owners have cars they no longer use. Maybe the engine failed, the transmission is gone. Maybe the vehicle was involved in an accident, or it's simply costing too much money to repair. Instead of letting that vehicle sit and lose value, turn it into cash today. At Junk My Car, Long Island City, Queens, New York, we buy cars, trucks, SUVs, vans, minivans, and all other vehicle types. We purchase vehicles in any condition, running or not, damaged, salvage, abandoned vehicles, and unwanted cars and trucks are all welcome. Our process is simple. First, call us at 1-929-445-5344 or visit junkmycarqueensny.com. Next, tell us a little information about your vehicle. We'll ask about the year, make, model, condition, and location. Then we'll provide you with an instant cash offer. Once you accept our offer, we'll schedule a convenient pickup time and remove the vehicle at no cost to you. There are no towing fees, no hidden charges, no surprises. Our experienced team proudly serves Long Island City and nearby areas, including Queens Village, Flushing, Springfield Gardens, Jamaica, and many other surrounding communities. We understand that selling a junk car can feel overwhelming. That's why we focus on making every transaction quick, professional, and straightforward. Our goal is to provide excellent customer service while helping Long Island City residents get rid of unwanted vehicles and receive cash in return. Whether your vehicle has high mileage, mechanical problems, accident damage, flooded, burned, or simply isn't worth repairing, we are ready to make an offer. Don't let that unwanted vehicle continue taking up space. Get cash for your junk car today. Call Junk My Car Queens, New York at 1-929-445-5344 or visit us online at junkmycarqueensny.com. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us for more helpful vehicle selling tips, local Long Island City junk car services, and cash for cars updates. You'll find our phone number, website, and contact information in the links below. We look forward to helping you turn your unwanted vehicle into cash.